In a small village surrounded by lush greenery, there lived a wise and selfless old man named Arthur. He was known for his acts of kindness and unwavering generosity. His fellow villagers admired him for his selflessness, and they often sought his counsel. One fine morning, a group of curious children approached Arthur as he was planting a young sapling. The children watched him with curious eyes, and one of them asked, "Why are you planting this tree?" Arthur smiled kindly and replied, "I plant this tree not for myself, my children, but for the generations yet to come. I may never sit in its shade, but I plant it so that others, in the future, may find comfort and shelter under its branches." The children, though young, understood the depth of Arthur's words. They decided to help him nurture the sapling. With the passing years, the tree grew tall and strong, providing shade, shelter, and beauty to the village. Arthur's selfless act became an inspiration to the entire village. His tree symbolized his legacy of kindness, and it taught everyone the value of selflessness and caring for the well-being of others. As the years went by, the village faced various challenges, and the tree Arthur had planted became a symbol of hope and unity. It served as a gathering place for meetings, celebrations, and moments of solace. People from all walks of life came together under its branches, finding common ground and mutual support. Arthur's act of planting that tree, despite knowing he would never enjoy its shade, left a lasting legacy. His selflessness not only enriched the lives of those who came after him but also served as a reminder that small acts of kindness can have a significant impact on the world. Arthur's story was passed down through the generations, reminding everyone that selflessness and kindness can plant the seeds of positive change that will flourish long after we are gone. It underscored the profound truth that when we do good for others, our actions can leave an enduring legacy of love, compassion, and unity. Before you go, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Your support is what keeps this channel thriving. And check out our previous stories. Share your favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. We love hearing from you.